Hi, I'm Josh Kirschenbaum, and I'm really excited to be talking to you about Pan American Seed Company's hand-picked vegetable and herb collection. This collection is comprised of some really great tasting, novel varieties that make wonderful choices for those who supply both the hobby gardeners and fresh market farmers. There's several different characteristics that we're looking for when we're breeding varieties to incorporate into our collection, but there's three main characteristics that hold true throughout. And the first is flavor. It has to taste good, plain and simple. Second is productivity. Whether it's a variety that should be grown in a container on a patio or a variety that someone's going to be harvesting produce off of to take to market, we want to make sure that the folks that are growing it are going to be very, very happy with the amount of produce that they get from the plants. And third is maturity. It needs to mature in a timely fashion. There is no point in spending time, energy, or money into growing something only to not be able to reap the rewards, which of course is the fresh produce that you get off of the plants. Now, we have a lot of really great varieties already in the hand-picked collection, and there's some very exciting things coming down the pipeline, so I encourage you to check back soon. And for more information about the hand-picked vegetable and herb collection from Pan American Seed Company, visit our website at www.panamseed.com.